What if everything you think you know about yoga is incomplete? Today, millions of people practice yoga to stay fit, lose weight, or reduce stress. Yoga studios fill cities across the world. Social media is flooded with impressive poses and challenging routines. But what if yoga was never meant to be exercise? What if the ancient masters who developed yoga thousands of years ago had a completely different goal in mind? As the sun rises over this peaceful river, let's travel back in time. Let's discover the forgotten purpose of yoga, a purpose far deeper than physical fitness, a purpose that has the potential to transform your entire life. Welcome to Inner Flow Wellness. Today, we explore the true purpose of yoga. Chapter 1. The Yoga We Know Today. When most people hear the word yoga, they imagine stretching. They think of poses, balance, and flexibility, perhaps even difficult handstands. The global yoga industry is worth billions of dollars. For many people, yoga has become another form of exercise, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Physical yoga offers tremendous benefits. It strengthens muscles, improves posture, and supports overall health. But here's the surprising truth. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root yuj. Yuj means to unite or to join. But what exactly is being united? According to ancient yogic philosophy, yoga is the union between the individual self and universal consciousness, the union of body, mind, and spirit, the union of our outer world and inner world. Yoga was never simply about touching your toes. It was about discovering who you truly are. Ancient sages observed that human suffering often comes from a restless mind. Our thoughts constantly move between the past and the future. We worry, we fear, we compare ourselves to others, we chase endless desires. Yoga was developed as a practical system to calm this inner turbulence. The goal was not to perfect the body, the goal was to master the mind. As one famous ancient definition states, yoga is the stilling of the fluctuations of the mind. This simple statement changed countless lives throughout history. The roots of yoga stretch back thousands of years. Long before modern fitness centers existed, seekers would retreat into forests, mountains, and riverbanks. They lived simple lives dedicated to understanding existence. They observed nature, the flow of rivers, the movement of stars, the rhythms of breath. Through deep meditation, they discovered powerful methods for cultivating awareness. These teachings were passed across generations. Eventually, many of these teachings were organized into a system known as the Yoga Sutras. Compiled by the sage Patanjali around 2,000 years ago, this text remains one of yoga's most important foundations. The original focus of yoga was internal, not external. It was about transforming consciousness, not merely appearance. Patanjali described yoga as an eightfold path. Think of them as 8 interconnected steps toward inner harmony. The first limb is yama, ethics like truthfulness. The second is niyama, personal disciplines like self-reflection. The third limb is asana. Notice something important? Asana is only the third step, not the entire journey. The fourth limb is pranayama, the regulation of breath. The fifth is pratyahara, turning attention inward. The sixth limb is dharana, focus. The seventh is dhyana, meditation. And finally comes samadhi, a profound state of unity, peace, and expanded awareness. Now ask yourself, how much of modern yoga focuses on all 8 limbs? Physical postures were originally intended to prepare the body for deeper states of meditation. They were a doorway, not the final destination. If yoga was originally a spiritual practice, how did it become primarily associated with fitness? The answer lies in history. During the late 19th and 20th centuries, yoga began spreading globally. Emphasis was placed on physical postures. The ancient yogis viewed the body as a tool, a vehicle, a sacred instrument that supports self-discovery. So what does authentic yoga look like today? It begins with awareness. Use postures as a moving meditation. Remember that yoga happens not only on the mat, it happens in your relationships, in how you treat yourself and others. The true purpose of yoga is not to escape life, it is to experience life more fully, with clarity, with compassion, and with peace. As this river continues its timeless journey, perhaps yoga invites us to do the same, to flow inward, to discover stillness. Subscribe to Inner Flow Wellness for more content on mindfulness and meditation. Until next time, stay present, stay balanced, and keep flowing inward.